Good morning, SSLC students. Today I am discuss with you carbon and compounds. In this chapter, functional groups. See, alcohol is one of the functional group. So the suffix is used here OL. Okay. The first example I am taking here propanol. So by adding the OH to the carbon compound, that is propane, remove the one nitrogen atom and add the OH to that. And what is the molecular formula of the propanol is C3H7OH. See how many carbon atoms are there here? 1, 2, 3. Okay, the remaining 7 hydrogen atoms are there and OH. So compulsory we have to remove the one hydrogen atom and add the OH. In the same way, I am taking one more example, that is butanol. So butanol, so add the OH here also. Here 4 carbon atoms are there. Okay, molecular formula of this is C4H9OH. And next one more functional group is that is aldehyde. How to pronounce this? Nal, means Al is the suffix here. Propanal, here I am taking example propanol. See, add the double bond O and single bond H to the carbon atom of the last in the given carbon compound. See, for example, here I am taking propane. Okay, C3H5CHO. This is the molecular formula of the propanol. And one more example is butanal. See, the structure formula sometimes changes like this type and like this type. See here, see 4 carbon atoms are 4 are there here, and hydrogens are 8 are there. See, C4, okay, C4 H how many are there here? 4 8. Okay, see, this is the molecular formula of the butanal. And next one is ketone. Third one is ketone, is also one of the functional group. So how to pronounce this? What is the suffix means? Non. Okay, non is the, so this is a symbol C double bond O. Both side single bond, it is connected with another 2 carbon atoms. So remove the one nitrogen atom of the middle carbon atom and add the double bond oxygen atom to this, and C2H6CO. This is what